Okay, so this year we did potatoes, and we did potatoes in containers, and we did potatoes in cardboard boxes. So this is the first of the harvest. We're gonna see what we have in here. So we're gonna trim these down first, and then we are actually just gonna tip the bucket over onto the tarp and see what's in here. These probably could have went a little longer, but since they're in the same planter, we're gonna see what we got. Okay, so put this over. So this side, it was brown, this side it was green. Break all this up. All right, well, we got a couple. Oh, yummy, there's one. We probably could have let these go a little bit longer. Not too bad for a little container. Onion skins. We put some of the fingerlings in there. Ooh, we got some crawlers. Chickens will eat those. I'm not sure where they're at. And we can reuse all this soil. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Like I said, this could probably have gone a little bit longer. But being the first time, we really wanted to see what we got out of here. Out of this little container, little tiny pot. So here are the potatoes that we got out of this small container here. Really not much effort. We used 3 potato seeds. We got some fingerlings and some small red skin potatoes out of this small container. And we're gonna reuse all this soil again for the next batch. So not too bad for a first time in a small container. If you had a small area or an apartment or somewhere where you couldn't grow a lot, you could still do some of your own potatoes. So not too bad. All right, so after the container potatoes, we decided to try them in a box. Watched some videos on YouTube and thought, why not? We'll give it a try. So this is how they look now. A little bit longer than what we wanted. Hi, Lola. That's our dog, Lola. She's coming to see what the action is. So first I'm going to trim all these back. The box does not have a bottom. So as soon as I lift it up, the soil is going to come out. And hopefully we will find potatoes. Not really sure. Like I said, this is our first time experimenting with potatoes. These have already flowered. Some have died off a little bit more than others. But I think we've got enough time lapse here. All right, so flip this box up. This can go right in the compost too. The entire box, everything can be, actually I'm gonna use this. The whole box can go right in the compost when we're finished. Ooh, a nice bunch of potatoes. They're not too big, they're tiny, but let's see what we got. All right, so out of that small clear container and the box that we had here, which is the same size that we have here, our goal was to get 5 pounds, and we got about 6 pounds, 7 ounces. So not too bad for a first try. We'll definitely do it again. Thanks for watching.